This is a fine tree. Not too big, not too small, not too bushy, not too bare.
Great find, Mama Go. Mya.
This is not our tree. When we find it, we'll get a special feeling, and we'll just know.
I'm already getting a special feeling. It's called being very cold. Pretty soon I won't be able to feel my feet. And I bet poor Doggy Go is freezing.
Rudolph, ho, ho, ho! Stop right where you are. That one.
Really? Are you sure, Mya? I mean, what makes this one so special?
It's like what you said about meeting Dada. When you know, you know.
Right. Well, we better go down to tell Bruce and Holly Green that we found the one we like.
Wait! How will they find our tree again? I can't leave it. Uh-oh. I know what to do.
It looks like Mya has had an idea. What on earth is she doing with that ribbon belt?
Here, Mya, let me help you.
Ha-ha! Now Mya's tree really does stand out.
It looks so lovely. Maybe we could bring our tinsel and furniture and couch and chairs and TV up here instead.
Oh, I think we'd all turn into icicles if we did that, Mya. Where's Doggy Go gone? Doggy Go!
Ho, ho, ho! Oh, Rudolph gone.
Doggy
Go! Whoa, be careful. It's hard to run downhill when the ground is this slippy.
That's not the kind of sleigh ride I was expecting to see today. Back at home, the tree is up, and Mya is carefully putting on the finishing touches.
It really is the perfect tree, Mya.
Well, you know what they say. When you know, you know.